Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News. Is U.S. Navy Undocks USS Albany ahead of schedule following maintenance at Naval Submarine Base, New London? Portsmouth Naval Shipyard undocked the Los Angeles-class attack submarine USS Albany, SSN 753, on March 26 at Naval Submarine Base, New London. The milestone marks a key step in the vessel's maintenance and modernization availability, completed ahead of schedule. Albany arrived at the base in summer 2025 and has since undergone repairs, structural inspections, and replacement of mechanical and electrical systems. Officials said the work enhances the submarine's capabilities and modernizes critical systems to support operational demands. To support the availability, a forward team from Portsmouth Naval Shipyard coordinated throughout 2025 with personnel at the submarine base to prepare facilities and manage a large temporary workforce. At peak levels, more than 400 shipyard personnel were deployed to New London to carry out the effort. Despite the inherent challenges of executing an off-yard availability, compounded by multiple winter storms, the teaming demonstrated by the crew of Albany and the shipyard workforce drove through every obstacle, completing Albany's docking period ahead of schedule, said Captain Jesse Nice, shipyard commander. This speaks to the resilience of the Portsmouth Naval Shipyard team and the impact that a focused team of experts can have to safely accomplish great things at the pace the nation needs. Completion of the docking period represents an essential phase in returning the submarine to operational service. The step supports the Navy's focus on maintaining combat-ready platforms and sustaining deterrence. The early undocking of Albany is a significant accomplishment and a direct result of the one team, one fight mentality of my crew and our Portsmouth teammates, said Commander Adam Nebenzel, commanding officer. This milestone puts us one step closer to rejoining the fleet. We are eager to get back to sea and contribute to our nation's defense. Portsmouth Naval Shipyard plays a central role in the maintenance, repair, and modernization of attack submarines. Officials said its work strengthens the maritime industrial base and contributes directly to U.S. national security by delivering more capable submarines to the fleet. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.